Making chicken parm at home isn't difficult, and it's definitely worth it. Shown on screen is everything you need to make this crispy, cheesy classic. The only thing I forgot to include is a side of your choice. Whether that's pasta, salad, or garlic bread, I'll let you decide. First thing we need to do is grate up some fresh Parmesan cheese. You don't need a ton here, just enough to mix into our breadcrumbs for some flavor. Grab a tray or a large bowl and add in your Panko Bread Crumbs. Then, mix in your Parmesan we just grated. Give it a quick stir so it spreads evenly. Now, crack a couple eggs into a bowl and lightly beat them with a fork or a whisk. This will be our egg wash for dredging. Before we move on, go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready when we need it later. Next, let's prep the chicken. Start by butterflying the breast. Be careful not to cut all the way through. Once it's opened up, place it between 2 sheets of cling film. Now, take a mallet, or if you don't have one, the bottom of a small pot, and pound it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick and even all around. Once the chicken's ready, dip it into the egg wash. Then, press it firmly into the panko and Parmesan mixture. Make sure it's fully coated. Use your hand to press the crumbs in so they stick nicely. Grab a cast iron pan and heat it over medium. Add in a little neutral oil and a knob of butter. Once hot, place in your chicken and pan fry it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Flipping once each side is golden brown. And while it cooks, baste the top with the butter and oil in the pan for even more flavor. When you flip it, add in a little more butter. This will help the chicken get that beautiful golden brown color. Once both sides are crispy and cooked through, transfer the chicken to a paper towel and drain off any excess oil. Now, place it on a parchment-lined tray. Spoon over some homemade marinara sauce. And top it with slices of provolone cheese, or mozzarella if you don't have provolone. Pop it into the oven and bake until the cheese is melty and just starting to turn golden brown. Take it out and top it with a little fresh parsley if you like. And there we have it. Crispy, cheesy chicken parmesan made right at home. If you were to order this at a restaurant, you'd easily be paying $20 or more per plate. But making it at home costs only a fraction of the price. Plus, you can feed the whole family for the same price. I hope you'll give this a try, And here are some other videos YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.